So you might be trying to figure out how you can get your Apple Music replay. So this is basically just like Spotify Wrapped, but it's just for Apple Music. So it shows you all the songs that you listen to and all that stuff. So to do this, what you're going to want to do is there's a couple of things. You can do this via the Apple Music application. So if you're on your iPhone or iOS device or iPadOS device, you want to update to iOS 18.1. And from there, you want to open up the music application and go to the Home tab. And you want to scroll down to replay. And then you'll be able to see your top songs for the year. So what you can do is, if you want to, you can update your phone. So go inside of your iPhone settings, click onto General, which is right here. Click on Software Update and just make sure you're on iOS 18.1 or above. Just make sure you're on something like that. Now, what you want to do is make your way over to your Apple Music application, and then you can scroll down on your Home tab, and you should be able to find that replay option. Now, if you don't have access to your phone or anything like that, you can also still access it via the website replay.music.apple.com. So you can go to that website, and I'll leave a link down in the description so you can just click on it. And when you go to this website, again, replay.music.apple.com, then it'll show you your replay of all the songs that you basically listened to this year. So now you can click on Jump In, and it'll make you probably log into your account. And from here, you can log in with your account, and then you'll be able to see all the music and all the songs that you listen to. And that's basically all you're going to have to do there too. So it's pretty basic. It's actually really, really cool. And if you go even kind of take a look at the images, it'll show you like all the songs and all the things that you listen to within Apple Music for that year. So this is an example of what it looks like. I just found this image online, but that's essentially how you do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.